I walked into the room and I was floored by the spirit of the dress. And this is not the only one. Does this have pockets too, or is the other one has pockets? But that's okay, because this is just gorgeous. Look at this. This designer is out of control. The spirit of his dresses is just fabulous. Look at this. I'm gonna name this, I think he named it Michelle Obama. Just swirl for a moment. Very elegant, dressy, black. The details on this is wonderful. This is my favorite. What is your name?
Sherelle.
Sherelle? Yeah. Well, this is another one of Thomas Lavon's dresses. Turn for me. Look at the details. These are petals. I thought they were a little... Look at this. Look how detailed that is. It's black. Band is waist-wise. Turn around to the back. Absolutely gorgeous. This is my mermaid. Hello. How are you? What is your name?
I'm Andrea.
Andrea?
And I
Tiffany Nicole.
Tiffany Nicole.
Monet.
Monet. See, y'all coming and y'all bombarding me. I wanted to do one at a time because this is so fabulous. I have to do one at a time. I know you guys are all here.
We're actually a model group.
You're a model group? Okay. I've done you. Oh my God. Oh. But it's just the spirit of the dresses. It's something about his designs, right? How do you feel when you wear it?
I feel very sexy. I feel beautiful. I feel like I own the world.
I feel very beautiful and elegant. I just feel like when you have a Thomas Lavon design, you just really want to step out and just show the world who you are and what you have.
For sure.
Same here. I feel very confident, beautiful, and I don't want to take this off right now.
I want you to step out. I love this.
That's Kiki, by the way.
I love this. Kiki, I love this. Cece? Kisi. She's wearing one. This is what I love. Look at the details on that. Elegant, classy, fabulous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm in love. I'm in love with the design. I love this. This reminds me of something from 1930s. There you go. Look at this, and look at this. Look at this. I love this.